Good morning, everyone. It is just Cedric here, and today we're in Colorado Springs and we're going to be checking out Garden of the Gods. Explore Colorado Springs paradise in one magical stop. Garden of the Gods Park is a registered National Natural Landmark. Imagine dramatic views, 300 feet towering sandstone rock formations against a backdrop of snow-capped Pikes Peak and brilliant blue skies. This is Garden of the Gods. So the visitor center is pretty nice. They got a bunch of like educational stuff about Garden of the Gods. They actually have a gift shop in here as well. They offer a wide variety of custom souvenirs and specialize in Colorado-made items. They have everything from t-shirts to hats to souvenir items, geology gift rocks, books, postcards, and so much more. So right now I just left the gift shop and I'm coming out here to this like balcony thing. They have like a little balcony. So it's pretty cool, nice views. Alright guys, that is the visitor center. There's a bunch of educational stuff in there. They had a gift shop. They had a bunch of like, a lot of cool information stuff. So if you're like a history buff, you want to know all that stuff about it, the visitor center is your place. Alright, so we're getting ready to walk to like the sign where everyone takes the pictures at, where it says Garden of the Gods on it. We're gonna do a little mini tutorial, which is a hyperlapse. Hyperlapse is just basically a moving time lapse. I like to record for about a 1 minute on the time lapse feature on the iPhone. Put it in there. Get your gimbal. Make sure you balance it out. It's a nice day out here. It's so hot. I am sweating like crazy. Let's see if What's up?
You got a YouTube?
I actually do, yes.
What is it?
It's just Cedric. JUSCEDRIC. Nice. I mainly do it strictly for my Instagram.
Oh, I feel you.
But yeah.
You can type it in.
JUSCED. There you go. You might not be able to find it because I just started it,
Oh, no,
but
it's all good.
you can go to my Instagram. It'll be on my
Cool.
Instagram.
Alright, have a good one.
All right, you too. Just look at the views out here. If you guys can see, there's a rock climber up there right now. I'll show you. was flying the drone and it was up there. I should have flew it higher because when it's higher you can't hear it as much, but when it's low, I was getting some nice pictures of that right there. But when it's low you can hear it, it's like zzz. But yeah, I was flying it. The dude was like, "Is that your drone?" I should have been like, "Nah, that ain't mine. I don't know who it is." I'm sitting there, got the controller in my hand and everything. That was it for Garden of the Gods. We're about to leave the park now. It was a nice little nature walk. It's perfect for the family. You make sure you check the weather because it is super hot today. So your pets, your children, they're gonna be dying. Even the adults as well. I'm dying as well too. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for Garden of the Gods. Remember, the world deserves to see you smile another day. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna see you when we see you. Peace. After hours of walking, I got a little hungry, so I decided to go to this place called the Skirted Heifer. I don't even know what I want right now. I'm trying to figure out. You can build stuff. You got the burger of the week. Some lemonade probably. I just got like the classic skirted heifer, I think that's what it's called. This is so good. It's a heart attack on a bun, but it's good. I'm definitely gonna have the itis after this. It's good. I actually paid for 2 hours of parking because when I passed this place, it was really packed. So I thought it was gonna be like a long wait, but it was literally like not even a 5-minute wait. I walked in, got my order, and got the food. I don't even know how you're supposed to eat this. I think you're supposed to tear the cheese off and then bite it and just bite the cheese. But like, look at the cheese. It's like burnt around the burger. So good. So good. This food will knock you out. You're gonna need to exercise really hard you eating this. This is straight up grease, but it's good grease. It's good. Get you an ice cold lemonade. Just remember, the world deserves to see you smile another day. We're gonna see you when we see you. Peace.